So I'm here doing a cool call. I'm here in the attic right now on a Trane. So as you can see, all those signs. This is the return side. You can see how all the openings. Check it out down here. Sucking attic air right now, and it's like 140 up in here right now. And hold on, get up here. As you can see over here, look at that, they just put a piece of sheet metal. You see that? No tape, at least. Check it out. So it's looking there over here too. And over here on the coil, check it out. Look at the sensing bulb's not even strapped good or insulated. So I'm gonna take care of this. Okay, hold on. The door's just sitting there. Taped up all the air leaks. Strapped down the sensing bulb and insulated it. Now we're gonna go check our pressures. Hold on. This is the temperature right now in the attic. 132. Man. And that's next to the attic axis, so imagine a little bit more over there. Alright, so not strapped or anything. Okay, so I went ahead and strapped it, and I put insulation under this and then the insulation on top. So that thing is nicely insulated. So now we're gonna go outside and go ahead and check the charge. The outside condenser. That's the one we're checking right now. They're all the same. I'm pretty sure they're all gonna have the same problems. The one we fixed the other day yesterday was on that side. Micro channel. Look how dirty they are. How old are these? Like 2 years? 5 years? Oh, 5 years. That's how dirty they are in 5 years. No maintenance.